How to turn off safe mode without the power button on an Android phone. So you need to turn off the safe mode, and the easiest way to do it without using your power button is go into your phone's settings. Scroll down to additional settings. Look for accessibility. Make sure the accessibility menu is toggled on, like so. And then the little man will appear in the bottom right hand corner. Click on that. From the accessibility menu settings, click on power. You can swipe up to restart or swipe down to power off. And then when your phone restarts, safe mode will be turned off.